because myself, I am doing extremely fantastic. Oh my god, this is wrong guys, but don't be afraid. This is just a knife to do the unboxing, so let me put it aside. Oh guys, how are you? How's everyone doing? By the way, I just want to thank everybody who is supporting me. Comment section, the few who view my videos, thank you so much. The reason why YouTube is not recognizing my videos is because I took a break for a very long time. You know, with YouTube you need to be consistent so that the algorithms can recognize you, but it's okay, I'm back, and no matter what, we are not giving up, and I believe that one day we are going to, this channel is just going to be different. Okay, so for the few who support me, for the few who comment on my videos, for the few who interact with me on my Facebook pages as well on my WhatsApp, thank you so much for the positivity. You guys, you really motivate me to go ahead, you really motivate me to keep going. Thank you so much for the positive comments, for the positive feedback that you give me. Even that is why you see me natural in my videos, because one of my supporters was like, I like you with not too much makeup on, the red lipstick, and I was like, your opinion counts. Okay, yeah, your opinion counts. So yeah, natural me, just some lip balm. So guys, today I'm in the kitchen. I don't want to talk so much. We are going to unbox this box of we are going to unbox this box of utensils that we got from Kamkunji. Kamkunji is one of the biggest markets in Kenya, apart from Mudhurwa, Gikomba, Isili. You cannot forget Kamkunji as the biggest market, where you get goods like utensils, goods like cutlery, even shoes at a very incredibly affordable price. Kamkunji is one of the best markets in Kenya. So we are going to unbox this very fast with you guys, and I'm going to leave everything on the description box so you can go there as well and shop there. So let me know at the comment section what you got from Kamkunji. Let me know what you got from Kamkunji. Is it grocery? Is it shoes? Is it utensils? Did you like them? What is the feedback? So that I can know if this is long lasting or it's gonna take less lasting. If you are new to this channel, please come and join me by just simply subscribing, and let's interact at the comment section. Yeah, that's all. So let's go and unbox. I'll catch you guys at the unboxing time. So guys, the first item I unboxed is this thermos flask over here. So it is 3.0 liters. It's written unbreakable and stainless steel, and then it's where is it? Yeah, so let me show you again. One touch lid provides single hand operation and is food safe. It's a one touch lid. Okay, the twin walled stainless steel Asia toughened creates a vacuum between the walls, allowing neither heat nor cold to escape. Okay, the body of the flask is comprised of high quality stainless steel raw materials. The seal prevents the escape of radiant heat. Yeah guys, so the flask is here. It's 3.0 liters. Like, this is the lid. This is the lid, and then the inside of the flask. Yeah, and I love the packaging actually. So that is the first item. The second item, guys, I don't know what it is, but it's here. I really don't know what it is, but it looks fragile. It looks fragile. So let us try again and just see what's inside. Okay, and let me make the camera so that you guys can see it with me. guys, yeah, the second item is this plates. Very, very nice. I love the arts around here. It's so simple and nice, and it's written behind made in India, and it's microwave safe. You can put it in the microwave without it breaking. It's break resistant, it doesn't break fast, extra strong, bone ash free. I don't know what bone ash free is, but yeah. And I love how it was packaged because it's fragile and they reached all safely. So that's the second item. So on to the third item. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video so much. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know, where else do you shop for your things apart from Kamkunji? Let me know, where else do you shop for your cutlery, your utensils? Where else? Because I know of Kamkunji having the cheapest rates of shopping such things. Yeah, so I hope you love. What do you love about this today's vlog? Do you love the Sephorias? Do you love the plates? What do you love? And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share the video. Please, I need you to give my video a thumbs up because it really supports my video. It really supports my video on the algorithms of YouTube, so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. I know my supporters, you want us to go far, so don't watch this video and go away. Give it a like, subscribe if you haven't. Guys, I'm talking too much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you on my next video. Bye.